ones we can. I'm going to show you how to make a Lego truck. First off, we build this, and then build this, and then attach those, and then build this, and then attach it like this, and then build this thing, and attach it like that, and then do this to a chassis, and then build this, and then attach it like, and then you build this, and then attach it like, and then build this, and then build it, attach it, and then build it, and then attach it like that, and then build this thing, and then attach it, and then attach it like that. Now we got the whole back. Okay, build this, and then build this, and attach it like this, and then build this thing, and then attach that, and then make this, and then attach it like, and then do this like the other side, and then attach it just, and build this, and then attach it, and then attach this. Make this. You actually have to remove, but attach it like that, and then make this mini, and you guessed, attach that, and then make this. It's a Toyota, and then attach that, and make this. You can add those two stickers from the set. That was what I was meaning, and attach it like that, and you can add that Toyota Supra logo there, and one right here. You want, and you attach it like that. Now you build the windshield. Attach it like that. Those are for, and then make this box and this, and put it in the back as however you want, and put the wrench in there, and we're done.